Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make queso sauce for nachos. First, gather your ingredients: about 8 ounces of cheese, 1/2 cup of milk, and your favorite spices. Select a cheese that melts well, like American or Monterey Jack. Have a medium saucepan and a whisk ready. This preparation ensures a smooth cooking process and a delicious outcome for your homemade queso. Now, let's melt that cheese perfectly. Pour 1/2 cup of milk or cream into your saucepan and heat it gently over medium-low heat. Slowly add your shredded cheese, about 8 ounces, a little at a time, whisking continuously. This gradual addition and constant stirring will help create a smooth, creamy sauce without any lumps. Remember, low and slow is the key here. Time to add some delicious flavor and perfect the consistency. Stir in your favorite seasonings, such as 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, and a pinch of salt. For a thicker sauce, mix 1 teaspoon of cornstarch with 1 tablespoon of cold water to create a slurry, then whisk it in. If you prefer a thinner dip, simply add a little more milk until it reaches your desired texture. Your delicious homemade queso is now ready to enjoy. Serve it warm immediately with a generous pile of crispy tortilla chips. For an extra burst of flavor and color, consider garnishing your queso with some fresh cilantro or finely diced jalapenos. This adds a wonderful freshness and a little kick. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your amazing nachos.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.